In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open Outlook online without software. So first method, open any browser and type office.com. Now once you open office.com, I will show you again. Open browser and just type office.com. So guys, you will see this screen. Here you can create your free account Microsoft. If you have already, so just sign in. So sign in with your Microsoft email and password. If you don't have, so create here, click here, sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. And in the free version, you can use almost all useful applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So once you sign in successfully, you will see this interface and here click on Outlook. So here you can send or receive your Outlook mail. It will ask signing process so complete in first time. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.